check out what we got here. Let's check out what is in this box. All right, what do we have here? Let's not wait any further. Without further ado, I bring you check out this box. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Yeah! This thing is awesome!
We're 1,000 miles.
Nice, same latch as on the P4 on this styrofoam box of what it comes with. And hello, let's take out the remote first. Remote, there's a nice sticker on here which was not on my P4. Download DJI Go app, launch DJI Go app and tutorials. Check firmware status, upgrade to firmware. Let's fold this up, fold these out to hold the phone. Open up that, take that out. Okay, got the remote. We've got the bird, the Phantom 4. Instruction manual, booklet, support. We've got the bag of propellers. The P4 came with 2 sets, and the Phantom 4 Pro looks like it comes with 2 sets as well. So let's take out 2 pairs propellers, 2 silvers, and 2 black propellers. Let's close that up. Let's take off the plastic from these.
From the nearest city, there's no lights.
Park ranger. I cannot fly here, not in a park, so I'm gonna have to pack up and take off. So we've got here, got the charger along with the power cord. And let's put that aside. And the bag of blades. What else we got? Cord, USB OTG cable, and to attach styrofoam. And whoa, so it looks like this doesn't come with the same stuff as the Phantom 4. So we've got the longer cable. Looks like that's it. I wonder why the change, DJI, especially since this Phantom 4 Pro is way more expensive than the regular Phantom Pro. Alright, so let's pack that up, put the propellers back in, and I'm gonna have to put the bird back in. On the Phantom 4 Pro, you've got our additional sensors, so basically surrounding around. These sensors in the back are the same sensors in the front, different sensors on the sides, so hopefully effective obstacle avoidance. And then here's the foam that supports the gimbal from moving around, and then the gimbal guard. So that's the differences between the 2 batteries between the Phantom 4 and the Phantom 4 Pros. Their standard Phantom 4 comes with a 5,350 milliamp hour battery, as opposed to the Phantom 4 Pro comes with 5,870 milliamp hour battery, which is supposed to last considerably longer than the standard Phantom 4. Maybe even, supposedly even beating the flight time of the Mavic Pro. So that's a good thing for the Phantom 4 Pro. That is one of the advantages on the Phantom 4 Pro that I liked. But mainly it's the camera with the 1-inch sensor for the Phantom 4 Pro.
The beat's louder and we're showered in drops of wave pulsations, and I
digital timer intervalometer.